you're making our job even more difficult.
Teacher Daisha Hargrave spoke up during public comments.
Because it's basically taking out of the pockets of
Her issue, the superintendent's new contract.
a superintendent or any person in a position of leadership getting any type of raise. I feel like it's a slap in the face to all the teachers, cafeteria workers, and any other support staff we have. I have comments on the
She received a warning. It was public comments only, not a question and answer session, although board officials were answering her questions. After being called on a second time, that's when a city marshal stepped in.
Excuse me. Is it against policy to stand? Sir, do not. This is the most disgraceful.
Hargrave left the meeting, but in the hallway...
Right now.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Don't.
Can you explain? Are you kidding me?
Stop resisting.
I am not. You just pushed me to the floor. Sir, hold on. I am way smaller than you.
Superintendent Jerome Pio telling KATC no charges were filed against the teacher. It's unclear if the deputy marshal was acting on his own accord or if he was called on to have Hargrave removed. Her removal did not go unnoticed.
What happened here tonight, the way that females are treated in Vermilion Parish. I have never seen a man removed from this room. I have never seen a man removed from this room.